how much should you actually spend on a cutting machine for fabric? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Fiskars 45mm Rotary Cutter. First up, we have the Fiskars 45mm Rotary Cutter, priced at just $14.98. This cutter caught my attention because it's a bestseller with over 1,100 reviews and a stellar 4.7-star rating. If you want precision and ease for your fabric projects, this is worth a serious look. It slices through materials smoothly, saving you time and effort on those big projects. Plus, the ergonomic loop grip gives you better control, reducing hand fatigue during those long crafting sessions. This cutter is perfect for both beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Now, some people complained about the blade needing replacement sooner than expected. Here's the thing though, every blade dulls eventually, and at this price point, it's still a fantastic tool for the price. Just keep an eye on your blade and swap it out when necessary. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking for a reliable cutter without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're cutting tougher materials consistently, as it might not hold up as well. Now, if the Fiskars cutter's blade replacement issue bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more heavy-duty setup. Product number 2, CGOLD&WALL Electric Rotary Cutter. Next up is the CGOLD&WALL Electric Rotary Fabric Cutter, priced at $59.52. This caught my eye due to its powerful electric motor and ability to handle thicker materials. If you're serious about cutting multiple layers efficiently, this is definitely worth a look. That means faster, cleaner cuts without the mess of traditional scissors. It's ideal for anyone who needs precision in a commercial setting or for larger DIY projects. The built-in sharpening stone is also a nice touch, ensuring your blade stays sharp without additional effort. However, some users mention that it can be a bit heavy to maneuver. Here's the thing, if you're working with heavy materials, that weight actually helps keep the cutter stable. But if you're looking for something lightweight for smaller projects, this might not be your best option. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or heavy user needing reliability and power. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight tool for casual crafting. The value here is solid considering its capabilities. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for general crafting needs. Product number 3, Honey's Heaven Rotary Cutter Set. Coming in at $26.90, we have the Honey's Heaven Rotary Cutter Set. With over 10,800 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, this set is turning heads. If you're looking for a complete kit that enhances your crafting experience, this is one to consider. This rotary cutter comes with a 45mm blade that can cut through 6 layers of fabric at once, making it a game changer for efficiency. Plus, the included self-healing cutting mat is a must-have for protecting your surfaces and maintaining blade sharpness. The ergonomic handle design gives you full control, so you can cut with confidence and comfort. However, some users pointed out that the self-healing mat can wear out over time. Honestly, that's true for any mat, but the good news is that this set is still a great value for the features it provides. Just remember to replace the mat when it starts showing wear. This is perfect for you if you enjoy different types of crafting and need a reliable, all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you're solely focused on industrial use materials. For the price, you really get a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if the Honey's Heaven set seems a bit too basic for your tastes, wait until you see this next product that packs more precision. Product number 4, Audab Rotary Cutter and Mat Set. Next is the Audab Rotary Cutter and Mat Set, priced at $15.99. I love this option because it combines affordability with quality. If you want a straightforward solution without tons of frills, this is a solid choice. This set includes a 45mm rotary cutter and 2 extra blades along with a self-healing cutting mat. The ergonomically designed cutter is great for both left and right-handed users, ensuring comfort while cutting through fabric, paper, or felt. The safety button is a smart feature to prevent accidental cuts, giving you peace of mind while you work. It's lightweight and easy to handle, which is perfect for those quick crafting sessions. Some users did mention that the blades could dull quickly with regular use. I didn't expect this, but it's a common issue across many rotary cutters. That said, given the low price and included extras, it's still a great value. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just need a reliable tool for occasional projects. Skip this if you're looking for a heavy-duty option for industrial work. For the price, the value is fantastic. Now, if the simplicity of the Audeb set doesn't quite meet your needs, the last product on this list might just do the trick. Product number 5, Fiskars Rotary Cutter and Ruler Combo. Finally, we have the Fiskars Rotary Cutter and Ruler Combo, priced at $46.97. This caught my eye because it offers both a cutter and a measuring tool in one package. If precision cutting is your top priority, this combo is worth a look. This set comes with a 45mm rotary cutter and a built-in ruler with a measuring grid, perfect for making straight cuts with accuracy. The grid lines and highlighted numbers make it easy to measure angles before cutting. It's designed for comfort too, with an ergonomic handle that reduces strain on your hand during long cutting sessions. Plus, the magnetic blade change system is super convenient. However, some users found the ruler to be a bit bulky. Here's the thing, while it might take some getting used to, the added accuracy it brings can significantly enhance your cutting projects. Just be prepared for a learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're a quilter or someone who often works with precise measurements. Skip this if you prefer a more compact tool. For what you get, the price is fair considering the quality. So to wrap it up, we started with the Fiskars 45mm rotary cutter, a bestseller for precision cutting. Then we looked at the CGOLD and WALL electric cutter, perfect for heavy-duty use. Honey's Heaven offered a complete set for versatile crafting, while Audeb provided a budget-friendly option for beginners. Finally, the Fiskars Rotary Cutter and Ruler Combo is ideal for those who prioritize precision.